Students, yesterday we learned importance of nature. Okay, and when writer watched and listened the nature, it gives her awe. That means great wonder and amazement. Okay, now see next para. Okay, till are you listening over now? Next para. When I do it, it leaves me in complete awe. Okay, awe means what? Great wonder and amazement. We have now one more example given narrator or writer. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight a flower blooms on it, big, bright and tender. How was the flower? Big, bright and tender, soft. Okay, and fortnight means what? A period of 14 days. Okay, now see, every fortnight a flower bloom on it, big, bright and tender. Through the day it smiles with the sun, that flower. Okay, through the day it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. Okay, these all flowers movement. Okay, that means flower is happy. But as evening approaches, it starts wilting. Wilting means bent or drying or dropping or weak. Okay, when as evening approaches means come near. Evening approaches means come near. It starts wilting. Wilting means bent, drying, dropping or weak. The morning after, next day, okay, the morning after, it withers completely. Withers means dry or drop completely, and by evening it falls and becomes one with the earth again. Again it mixes with the earth. The flower comes to life only for a day. You imagine, flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does so in full splendor. Splendor means brilliance or magnificently. Okay, full life splendor it lives. Okay, what if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest? What? See here again, narrator asks us a question. What if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest? That means, see, we have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Means that author or narrator have a hibiscus plant. Hibiscus plant is also called hibiscus flower, shoe flower. Okay, shoe flower. Every fortnight means a period of 14 days, a flower blooms on the hibiscus plant. How was the flower? Big, bright, tender. Tender means soft or delicate. Or here, see, big, bright and tender, that adjectives used. Okay, describing words used. Okay, these all describing words. Pick out the describing words from the passage. That means big, bright, tender. Okay, these all describing words or adjectives. During the day, the hibiscus flower smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches means come near, the hibiscus flower starts wilting. Wilting means, I already explained, bending, dropping, drying or become weak. The next morning, hibiscus flower withers. Withers means dry or drop completely, and evening time it falls and becomes one with the earth again. It again mixes with the earth. That means it comes to life only for a day. It spreads beauty and joy and does its work in full of splendor. That means magnificently or brilliantly it works. That means, okay. So, like hibiscus flower, we too to live our life to the fullest. The duration of life is not as important as the quality of life. Okay. So, hibiscus flower teaches us, makes the best use of time and opportunities. Okay, this who teaches us? Hibiscus flower. Okay, hibiscus flower teaches us. So students, live your life to the fullest and focus on the positive. Life itself is a privilege, but to live life is the fullest like a flower. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Okay, here writer suggests that we too should live our lives like a flower. Is that clear? Now see next para. Okay, we went to a rocky beach and saw the spread of the majestic ocean. Now again one more example given where again narrator or writer visit where rocky beach and saw the spread of the majestic ocean and the rocks alongside, carved, sculpted and shaped by the water. Means all rocks shaped by the water. Okay, carved, sculpted and shaped, okay, by the water. Now see, water is so gentle. Now see page number 39. Water is so gentle but rock so hard. Yet as the water flows over it every day for years, the rock gives the rocks gives in. It takes the shape that the water commands. Our problems are so colossal and we are so small. Yet if we persist. Okay. Now listen. See page number where? Page number 38. Here again see. On the beach, the author found rocks spread of the majestic ocean that were carved, sculpted means given a solid form and shaped by the water. But water is so gentle. Gentle means soft or kind. Soft or kind. Water is so gentle. Gentle means soft or kind. See, soft or kind. Okay. But rock is so hard. The water be humble and edges means water teaches us actually. Okay. The rocks every day it is able to carve, sculpt and shape the rocks as it desires, or desires means wishes. Rock follows water's commands. Same like our problems may be here given. Okay. Same like our problems may be colossal. Colossal means huge or very big or massive. But if we stay determined, means continue or keep going on, we might just be able to overcome them. Okay. So here water teaches us be humble and adjust. And to be persistent who teach water sculpt, carve and shape the rock that time. Okay. Means stronger than the rocks because by persistently flowing over the rocks every day. Okay. Now see here two questions given. Page number 38. Okay. See first question given. How does the hibiscus flower make the most of its short lifespan? Actually here answer. Okay. See here. A hibiscus plant. See. Second para. First line. A hibiscus plant in our garden. Dash 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 dash. Till splendor. Answer. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. A hibiscus plant in our garden to till splendor. Answer. Now second one more question given. What role does nature play in our lives? Actually second line see. Nature as a way of relaxing and till commands. Second one answer. Okay. This one answer. Nature as a way dash 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 till whispers and commands. And one more question here given. See. Page number. One more question. That page number 39. Here given one question. Who is stronger, water or rocks? Justify your response. Okay, actually see here, answer starts from here. Water is so gentle, page number 38, last line. Water is so gentle to dash 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 till commands here. Answer, okay, this one answer till commands. After that you add, I think water is stronger. It wears down the hard rock by its gentle patience, persistence and perseverance. Clear?